Welcome to section 4.7. Okay, maximum heel width at the foot. So these two variables here, you can tell us what you want the maximum width at the cross section of the foot, so the peak distance of the foot, and this is according to heel expansion above. It'll be added to that, but here's a sense of control that you want internal to the orthotic, the internal orthotic shape, as it were. Okay, a matter of movement in the foot that you can feel or play with. And in relation to that, you then need to indicate the maximum total internal shoe heel width. Okay, if you give us this measure here, that will be the peak width at the external part of the device. Obviously you've got to include device thickness in there, but if you've got a 5mm thick device, which is upwards of the thicknesses depending on what material you're using, this will be the peak width that you will get in the device, and obviously that will reduce the max heel width. What we're doing with the lovely electronic automation that we can go on, if the two don't match up, it'll hold and you'll get an indication on your account page to say that there's something wrong and we need to clarify what we're going to do before we go ahead and print it. Okay, so that's maximum heel width of the foot, internally the shape of the device, and the total internal shoe width that you provide to us. And this is a common query that practitioners have when they get devices back and say, look, my device isn't as wide as I wanted it, or it's too narrow. Okay, so I'll see you again in section 4.8.